Welcome back to another video. Today we'll be answering the question, does the OnePlus Nord CE6 5G come with a screen protector? And the short answer to that is yes. Now, it does not come with a screen protector in the box as you would expect. What you have in the box is the charging cable, some paperwork, and the SIM ejector tool. What it does come with though is a protective film. As you can see, if I lock my phone, if you look closely, there's a protective film that is already installed on the screen of this phone. Now, this is OnePlus's very considerate way of adding a protective film or a protective screen protector on your phone, which works pretty well, protects your screen from scratches, and it does this pretty well and it lasts quite long. 1 to 2 years or even more, but that's basically the answer to that question. The OnePlus Nord CE6 5G does come with a screen protector already installed on the screen. You can call it a protective film. Thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.